and my beloved friends. First of all, let's express our gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because by His mercy we are able to gather here today in good. Ladies and gentlemen, let me start my speech with a simple question. Do we really care about the environment, or do we only talk about it? We often hear about pollution, climate change, and natural disasters. However, environmental damage does not begin in forests or oceans. It begins in the human hearts. I am Anindita Kishazara from MTS Zainul Hasan Balung, would like to deliver a speech entitled Educating an Environmentally Friendly Earth, Instilling Environmental Values in School. Ladies and gentlemen, school is not only a place to gain knowledge. School is a place where character, attitude, and responsibility are built. If we want students to protect the environment, we must first educate their heart to love and respect nature. Environmental education is not only about lessons in books. It must be practiced in daily life, such as throwing trash into the proper bins, saving water and electricity, reducing plastic usage, planting and caring for trees, and keeping the school environment clean. The simple habits may seem small, but when practiced every day, they create students who are environmentally responsible. My beloved friends, schools have a very important role in instilling environmental values. Why? Because students spend most of their time at school. What students see and experience every day will shape their behavior in the future. Teachers are not only instructors, but also role models. When teachers show discipline in keeping the environment clean, students will follow. When schools provide eco-friendly programs, students will learn to care. Thus, environmental values will not only be understood, but also lived. Ladies and gentlemen, educating an environmentally friendly earth means teaching students that nature is not something to be exploited, but something to be protected. We must realize that the earth is not a gift from our ancestors, but a trust for future generations. By instilling environmental values in school, we are preparing a generation that is not only intelligent, but responsible and caring. A generation that understands that protecting the environment means protecting life itself. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, if we want a clean and healthier environment in the future, we must start today by educating environmentally friendly earth in school. Let's begin with small action. Let's start from ourselves, and let school become the foundation of environmental awareness. Because when the heart cares, actions will follow, and the future will be better. Thank you for your attention. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya ampun. Berapa menit?